It's Mercia. Yeah. So today I'm gonna walk you guys through my I do not feel like washing my hair, natural hair wash day routine. Okay, it's pretty simple, straightforward, and perfect for days when you do not feel like washing your hair. Let's go. I start by sectioning my hair into 4 sections, and I do this just because it makes the wash day process a lot easier and my hair is less likely to tangle up on itself. Once done, I get that water running and I try to make sure that the water is not boiling hot. As someone that loves to shower with hot water, this is such a struggle, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do to protect your hair. So don't wash your hair in boiling hot water. Make sure it's kind of like lukewarm. So I drench my hair in water and then I kind of like rinse it off before going in with shampoo. And now we grab the shampoo. I use this one from Aussie Moist and it's a sulfate shampoo just because I feel like it cleanses a lot better. But obviously, if you can get a sulfate-free shampoo, go for a sulfate-free shampoo. Going in with the shampoo, I start off with the front sections first just because you want to start from the front then go back so that the dirt that you wash off from the front rolls down to the back and it doesn't mess the rest of your hair. When washing your hair, you want to try and keep your hair stretched out. Do not be scrunching it up and about. Try to keep it stretched as you wash it. I'll show you what I mean in a second. And also make sure you're using the tips of your fingers, not your nails, to wash your scalp. Alright, let's rinse. Again, while rinsing your hair, keep it stretched out. Don't scrunch it up. Once rinsed, now we go in with the second round of shampoo. This is done just to properly cleanse our hair. And as you can see, the second round of shampoo foams up a lot more than the first round, mainly because most of the grease and the oils have been washed off already. Alright, once done, we give it a rinse before putting it back up and doing the exact same thing in each and every single section of my hair. So now I'm gonna move on to the other side of the front part of my head. I don't know if that will be my left or your right or who's left and right, but it's the other side. This is what I was talking about earlier. Do not crunch your hair up and start washing like that. Nah, you are going to tangle your hair and you're gonna cry during your wash day with the amount of tangles that you'll have to detangle. Keep it stretched and rinse or wash as so now I do the exact same thing on each section. I wash each section twice and rinse before moving on to another section, starting from the front, moving to the back. Conditioner, I use this one from L'Oreal. I love this conditioner because it gets the job done fast. And I also go in with a wide tooth comb. These two go hand in hand. Be generous with your conditioner. Apply it. Use a lot. Just be generous, okay? Don't be stingy with conditioner. You really need it to work into your hair, so use as much as needed. Once applied, grab the wide tooth comb and start detangling from your ends to your roots, just to minimize the amount of breakage. Guys, I know it looks aggressive, but do it. Try to like detangle your hair in gently, okay? Don't rip it off the way I did, but yeah, be gentle when detangling and start from the bottom of your hair, working your way up to the roots. I like to stick the hair that comes out onto the bathroom wall just so that it doesn't clog my drains, and then I throw it out afterwards. Oh my word, this low-key kind of hurt. But it wasn't that bad. It was okay, but woo! Anyway, I'm going to put the section back up and do the exact same thing on each and every single section of my hair. I sit in with the conditioner for 3 to 5 minutes.
A few minutes later.
And I'm back to rinse my hair off. So all I do is just rinse each section off, and then we get on to the drying process. Again, when rinsing, start off from the front part of your hair going back so that you don't get conditioner on already rinsed sections. Alright, so now I go in with a microfiber towel because microfiber towels are a lot gentler than normal ordinary towels, and you want to be as gentle as possible with your hair. So after drying it off, I then go in with some leave-in conditioner from L'Oreal, a heat protectant from Cream of Nature, and some regular castor oil.
Now what are we gonna do?
Now we blow dry, and I like to use the Revlon paddle brush hair dryer. It just makes blow drying so much easier because I don't know how to use an ordinary hair dryer. So if you also don't know how to, or you find it difficult, definitely get this blow dryer. It makes things way easier and faster. But before I go in with the hair dryer, I start off by detangling my hair with a wide tooth comb. Again, start from the ends of your hair, work your way up to your roots, and be gentle. I don't know why I was so aggressive, but guys, don't do it the way I did. Be a lot gentler, okay? And I do this with well moisturized hair using the leave-in conditioner and the oils that I showed you guys previously. And then I start off with low heat and I work my way up. So here I'm starting off with low heat first. Do you see how easy that was? It's literally just brushing your hair and it dries in the process. But yet again, make sure you detangle your hair before using this blow dryer. I know it's tempting to just go ahead and detangle your hair with the brush, but that's not what it was built for. So detangle first. And also be sure to work in small sections. I've sectioned off my 4 sections into 8. So split it into 8 sections and I'm going to blow dry them each individually. And also make sure that your hair is damp. Do not use a blow dryer on dry hair. You will damage it in the process. After I'm done with a section, I then go in with the blow dryer on high heat just to stretch it out even more. I then repeat the same steps on each and every single section, and that's pretty much it. And then I finish it off with some blue magic oil on the ends of my hair. I then tie it up in this manner just to keep my hair stretched and prevent it from shrinking without having to braid it up, because again, I don't feel like doing so much to my hair. But yeah, so that is all, and I will see you guys when you see me. And please be sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, bye.